So I recently published a video where I spoke about how I made $24,000 in 26 days with my consulting business. And overall, the video did really well. I had a bunch of people and entrepreneurs reach out to me on Instagram, and a good portion of them were actually leads too. But one thing I noticed that was common for all of them was that they were just not doing enough. Like, they wanted to know about tactics and strategies and insights, but just one look at their Instagram page or their YouTube channel, and I knew that they were just not doing enough or delivering enough. And the reason why I wanted to create this video is because there's a high possibility that you are too, meaning you're not doing enough. Like, for me to hit that goal, do you know how many content pieces I've had to publish in the last few months? I'll actually wait, take a guess. It was actually 300 pieces of content across 5 different platforms. That's freaking insane. Yeah, this is the part that no one talks about. Actually, I didn't even know how many pieces we had published. I had to go back and look at my analytics, and I realized that it was about 300 pieces of content. And the reason why I was able to hit that goal is because 1, I was consistent, but also 2, I was experimenting the shit out of things with my content. That's how I've treated my business right from the get-go, and that's how I'm treating my content as well. And so if you're not willing to try things out and see what sticks, there's a very, very, very high chance that you're not going to get the outcome you want either. If you already have a business or an offer and you're struggling to get consistent revenue or leads, then you just need to do more. You need to post more. You need to get the effing word out there. And if you're just getting started, go for it, because you have nothing to lose. If you're scared and apprehensive and you're thinking, what are people going to think? Then let me tell you a couple of things that's worked for me, because I've been in that situation time and again. 1, most people don't give a shit about who you are, and they don't care as much about you as you think they care about you. 2, they're not the ones paying your bills, so them. And 3, they're not the ones who have to live with your regret. So forget about all of that. Put yourself out there and just post more, do more. And the thing is, this sounds so cliche, but it's so freaking true. You just need to do more. So whatever you're doing right now, double it. Set a goal, set a cadence, and just go for it. This is the same thing I tell my clients. This is the same thing I'm trying to put out there with my content. And instead of just talking about it, I'd rather walk the walk. And so the last 6 months, or not even 6 months, I think about the last 4 or 5 months, I've published more than 300 pieces of content. The real question I want to ask is, how much have you done, and can you do more? The answer probably is yes. Now, I don't care whether you reach out to me and ask for help, or whether you pay me and I work with you, or whether you decide to do all of this for free and figure it out yourself. All I care is that this registers in your head that you need to do more. This also doesn't mean that you just shit post or post shit content to stay consistent, because I know a lot of those creators too. Consistency is absolutely needed, but there's something that most people miss out on and just try to stay consistent with the hopes of making money someday. And so on that note, check out this video where I talk about what you need to focus on first before you start getting consistent with your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.